Hi everyone, my name is Caitlin Shearer.
And I'm Noelle Kim.
And we're here to talk about the use of food and unique culinary experiences to enhance your meetings.
That's right. When it comes to meetings, planners often overlook the importance
How do people, you know when you watch bloopers on like TV shows?
Yeah.
How do they do it? I don't know how they do it because this is hard. Hello everyone, my name is Caitlin Shearer.
And I'm Noelle Kim.
And we are here to talk about... Hello everyone, my name is Caitlin Shearer. I can't.
Oh, that's a long one. You ready?
No. Hold on, stop recording.
Jeez.
Okay. Sorry. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay. That's all the time we have for today, so if you like this video, please visit more meeting planner tips.
Okay, just go right again.
More meeting planner tips. That's all.
Oh.
For more meeting planner tips, I can't say it. Okay. All right.
Oh, hold on.
Be sure to visit Meet in Seattle Southside. Okay, that's all the time we have for today. So for more meeting planner tips, be sure to visit meetinseattlesouthside.com.